Hey guys, Leo here. As you can see, I am out on a desolate stretch of highway in the rain. I don't mind though. I think it's cool. It's nice out. I'm here for that. That's why I'm here. You see how this is cut out? And you see the stairs going up there? That's why I'm here. I came out here. I want to show y'all something. This is a graveyard up there. And this is a really old one from my understanding. This is the old road here. This is the main road from years before this highway was put in. This was just done in the 90s. And I can remember them building this road. And I remember this being cut out and left intact for this old graveyard. And today is the perfect day to do it for rain aside. Looks like these stairs were put in the 90s when the highway was done. You can tell they're weak. I'm standing on the center beam, on the center stringer, walking up it. Had a little bit of bounce to it, nothing too dramatic. Pretty view already, isn't it? Ain't even up there yet. This is what I was wanting to see here. About 3 or 4 stories. Something like that. The graveyard is on up. Pretty little Mountainside cemetery, isn't it? Ooh, look at that one. It broke. Gotta watch the old stairs. Not very big. Looks like I see a couple old ones there. Looks like I'm guessing about 15 or 20. Something like that. But just look how pretty. Back up here on this mountainside like it is. And just imagine, you know, before all the 4-lane work, you can see on the other side too how it was cut out. Just imagine how pretty this little hillside was back before the 90s when this road was built. We just happened to know about the graveyard, drove by it 100 times and meant to stop up here, but you know how it is. Man, look there, what a tree stump. Look at the size of that thing. Wow, that was a monster tree. Look at that. My hand for reference. That is a monster. Was a monster. There's some old ones. I see a couple field stones. Blackburn, 1914 to 1989. Overlooked-Blackburn, 1907 to 1994. Jane Blackburn, 1904 to 1996. Andy Blackburn, 1904 to 1954. 50 years old. Leighton Blackburn, 1921 to 1968. Now these two here are field stones. You can see where this one had something Philip. I can't make out Philip something. That's the only thing I can make out. I see an A here, and that is about it. This one, just a thin, really thin field stone, about a ½ inch thick. Looks like here's some old ones. Sad thing about these, you know, when you see these here, you know they're pretty much, they're lost to time. You know they are. And you know, it's just sad. I can make out part of a name. April. Could be the month, could be the name. Okay, that goes there. Joseph, yeah. This is Joseph Chapman, 1885 to 1968, and Betty Chapman, 1897 to 1956. And there's another one there. Looks like it might be a military right there, that marble, because there's a marble foot marker there as well. So I'm assuming those two go together, but the top piece is missing. Little angel. L-E-L-L, Chapman, 1946 to 1977. Helen Lorraine Chapman, 1923 to 2006. And William Franklin Chapman, 1921 to 1986. You see vehicles through the trees, headed up the highway. Like I said, this is just a little desolate stretch in the middle of nowhere on the side of a mountain. And there's one laying flat, a field stone that's fell over. Rosemary Baldwin, June 22nd, 1940 to November 3rd, 1940. Hobart James Baldwin, August 2nd, 1919 to August 12th, 1976. Bertha Marie Baldwin, September 1st, 1918 to August 27th, 1992. And here's the couple of the older ones I saw. P.F. Smith, August 24th, 1863 to May 19th, 1947. Just after World War II. Let me go around here. I don't want to. Don't walk on them. Go between them. Lena L. Baldwin, 1882 to 1951. Got that one headstone propped up with a little piece of wood. It'll do for now. It'll do for the time being, won't it? C.A. Baldwin, April 21st, 1881 to January 27th, 1951. Got a real pretty view from up here too. Rain's trying to pick up just a little bit. It's supposed to, you know. This is Roxy Zorns, 1915 to 1989, and Lawrence E. Zorns, 1891 to 1962. A lot of yucca plants in there. I know they're typical cemetery fare. One of our viewers once, I'd mentioned something about yucca plants, and one of our viewers mentioned that they had read somewhere that yucca plants were used in cemeteries because it was believed that they kept away evil spirits. Evil spirits apparently don't like yucca plants, so that's why cemeteries apparently have a lot of yucca plants. Interesting, huh? But you can see with something else. Like we've had a big tree or two fall here. Look at the size of that. That's got to be from that great big one. Has to be pieces from it. That thing was monstrous. But anyway, I believe that's everybody. Like I said, it's not a very big cemetery, but it is a very pretty one, isn't it? Let's look at that. How nice. Big pine trees. But it's pretty up here when it snows. Okay, now we go around these puppies. I don't trust them. They were doing a little bit too much wiggling coming up. Like a lot of work putting all them little stripes, cracks. They do that to fill in cracks. Kind of hard to believe somebody out there doing all them little lines with a hot tar gun in it. I'm going to get out of here. I see it. Got to go to Walmart. That was the whole premise of coming out today. I just kind of wanted to come up here and do the video too. Have a good one. Leo out.